There once was a girl that loved summer. She felt comfort in its warmth and abundance of life, which is why every year she dreaded the return of winter and its short days and biting cold. So she made up a plan to try and find the entrance to the lands of the endless summers. But the entrance, of course, is hidden, and only the spirits know where it is. Therefore, she first needed an offering to appease them. And everyone loves sweet treats, right?
I spent roughly 3 hard years in Los Angeles with dreams to be a superstar. Everybody thought it was a joke until I came up and I made 'em hooked on every single one of my songs. So I guess the moral of the story is you gotta bet on yourself, be victorious. Love yourself like nobody does. But if that's the way, then day after day, why do I still feel like I'm not enough for me? Why do I still feel like I'm not enough for me? Everybody thought it was a joke until I came up and I made 'em hooked on every single one of my songs. So I guess the moral of the story is you gotta bet on yourself, be victorious. Love yourself like nobody does. But if that's the way, then day after day, why do I still feel like I'm not enough for me? Why do I still feel like I'm not enough for me?
Ruby shoes, rosy cheeks, skipping down Linden Street. Here's the bird, sings along, joining in their morning song. Big ideas, little hands, dreaming up mighty plans. Waves hello to the sun, a new adventure has begun. There's pirates and princes and crocodile caves, and skies full of ships that the starlight engraves. I lay in my bed and I think of that girl, all of the magic she held in her world. If she saw us now, I wish I'd make her proud. Tell her the stories of wonders we found. Oh, I need her back, tracing her tracks, lock up with maps so I can catch a flight towards the second star to the right. Busy streets, blinding lights, chasing dreams, losing time. Life becomes a leaky boat. You're rowing just to stay afloat. The more you live, the more it seems that shine can fade from everything. Eventually, it's all the same, and you're just getting through the day. There's heartbreaks and mistakes and searching within. traced her tracks, I followed maps and caught a one-way flight towards the second star.
Having prepared her offering, the girl, being a witch, knew that she shouldn't wander off into other worlds unprotected. So she went to her cabinet of herbs to find what she needed for a protection charm. Mugwort, nettles, and a St. John's wort tincture should do the trick of protecting her against evil spirits. Believing to be fully prepared, the girl ventured out into the woods. She left her known paths to find the perfect spot to leave her offering. And then she received a sign. Suddenly, she knew what to do. She knew where to go. She knew where the entrance was. And just like that, she entered the lands of endless summers. At first, she was ecstatic. This was exactly what she wanted.
Red river flowers at your feet. You kissed the sun, hey, you drew first blood. But were you shadows spill against their will.
But soon enough, she got lost, until she happened to stumble upon someone.
Who are you? Na komm, ich zeig dir den Weg.
Cautious at first,
Na komm.
she followed the other girl. And so they went on a journey through the woods.
Could that set you free? Now the moon shines its strange designs upon the naked earth. You lick your wounds just to watch them bloom into such honest words. Now the winds blow through every silence. The night grows veiled and violent and dark.
Most of the time, the girl didn't know where they were going. And sometimes she wondered if the other girl even knew. But she kept following anyways. After a while, they reached a pear tree. The other girl suggested they'd pick some of these pears to make some pastries. And since a witch loved baking, she agreed.
Let me go. And I can't get you out of my mind. What hurts most is I might never know why I loved and continued to grow. Conflict calls me out like the waters on either side of the divide. Great divide. Could I be blind? Lift this veil and let me see the truth in all of this suffering. Did I change my mind? Seduced by the answers I expected to find. Lost in all of my hope for glory.
Together they peeled the pears, filled the pastries, and then, with a swoop of her hand, the other girl made them vanish.
Ich weiß, warum du hier nicht weg willst. Der ewige Sommer, das Paradies. Aber Menschen brauchen Abwechslung, den Wechsel der Jahreszeiten. Ohne den Winter wüsstest du den Sommer doch gar nicht zu schätzen. Und ohne die Kälte wüsstest du doch gar nicht, was Wärme wirklich bedeutet. Du musst nach Hause.
Fine. What do I have to do?
Naja, du musst eins der Törtchen essen. Du hast nur eine Chance. There was a key. You mentioned a key. It's autumn. I guess it worked. I guess it worked.